In this video, I'm breaking down modern construction techniques that are totally changing the game for building smarter, faster, and way more efficient homes these days. Alright, so first off, if you want to stay ahead in construction, you gotta know about modular building. It's basically making parts of a house in a factory and then putting them together on site like a puzzle, saves mad time and cuts down waste. Then there's 3D printing for construction, which sounds wild, but it's legit for creating walls and even some structural components quickly and cheaper. Another cool tip is using advanced framing techniques, which means you use less wood but keep the house super strong and insulated better. This one's great for saving money on materials and heating bills. Don't sleep on energy-efficient materials either. Things like insulated concrete forms or spray foam insulation make a huge difference in keeping homes comfy without jacking up utility costs. Also, smart tech integration is a must now. Think smart thermostats, lighting, and security systems that you can control with your phone to make your home more automated and eco-friendly. Plus, using sustainable materials like bamboo flooring or recycled steel not only helps the planet, but can give your build a unique look that stands out. Oh, and lean construction methods are key, which is basically about cutting down waste and streamlining every step of the process so the project finishes on time and under budget. Lastly, don't forget to keep communication tight with your team using construction management software. It keeps everyone on the same page, so nothing falls through the cracks. One of the biggest mistakes I see with modern construction techniques is trying to do everything at once without proper planning. That just leads to delays and cost overruns. Another common issue is not choosing the right materials for your climate or project needs, which can mess with durability and energy efficiency. And a third problem is ignoring new technologies because they seem complicated or pricey at first. Trust me, investing in tools like 3D printing or smart systems pays off big time in the long run with reduced labor and operating costs. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're a homeowner looking to find legit local contractors who get modern construction methods. And if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to connect with clients who need your skills on all kinds of fresh building projects.